Okay, we are going to record this session. So this is your book. Tell me which portion we were doing. What we were doing?
Sir, we have completed 21.5.
Tell me the page number.
Sir, page number 117.
Sir, 516.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, page number 516. 516.
Okay. Hope this is your page number. See that?
No, sir, 516.
21.5 completed.
Yes. No, sir.
Okay. So now ask me if you have any problem in this exercise. You have completed it well. Kaji, Vishal, Toship, Mafuja. Do you have any
Sir,
problem?
8-1. Sir, 8.
Which one?
Sir, 8.
Okay. A train left Cairo at 9 p.m. and traveled 880 kilometers to Aswan, arriving at 5 a.m. Started from 9 p.m. and reached there at 5 a.m. What was the average speed? First, you find the total duration of the time. Okay. The total duration of the time, how much?
8 hours.
Yes. Starting from 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. the total duration is 8 hours. Okay. You can do over here only. So the duration is 8 hours and the distance. So speed will write the speed is equal to the distance by time. Distance you have 880 and the time you have 8 hours. So cut with hello.
Hello, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, what happened? I don't know. Okay, let's see. So the total distance is 880 kilometer. We can write that speed is equal to distance by time. Okay. So the distance, how much? 880 and the time we have 8 hours. Cut with this. That means 110. This much. What? This much kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. This is the average speed. 110 kilometers per hour. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now by this, you have completed this portion. Will you go for the next exercise? Some of the portions still will have left. That is sum number 9 and 10. Okay. Sum number 9. A runner completes 42-kilometer marathon in 2 hours 15 minutes. What was her average speed? 2 hours 15 minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, see. Question number 9. So you'll write first the distance how much the distance was 42 kilometers
Kilometer.
and the time taken how much 2 hours
2 hours. Minute.
15 minutes, right? 2 hours 15 minutes. 2 hours 15 minutes means we'll convert into hours. That means 2 whole 15 minutes. That means 15 by 60. Cut with this 1 by 4. That means 2 hold 1 by 4 hours. That means 4 to the 8 and 1 9. 9 by 4 hours. Okay. So 2 hours 15 minutes we have converted into hours. Now the speed is equal to distance by time how much you will get 42 divided by 9 and this 4 will go to the numerator. Now what the answer will be, you can calculate it in decimal. Okay, the answer will be in decimal. You can cut it by 3 first. 14 by 3 3. Now we'll get 56 by 3 kilometers per hour. So divide it. We'll get the answer in decimal. Do it.
Sir, 18.6.
Yes. You have on screen calculator. That
Yes, sir.
56 divided by 3. So 18.67. You write that. The answer we are getting 18.666 like that
Yes, sir.
kilometers per hour. So approximately you can write 18.67 kilometers per hour. Okay.
Hour. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 10. In August 2009, Usain Bolt of Jamaica set a world record by running 100 meter in 9.58 seconds. Translate speed into kilometers per hour. And how long would it take him to run 120 kilometer if he could run it at the same speed? Okay, at this speed. So let me do. His speed was how much? No, 9.58 second, 100 meter. Okay. So 100 meter, question number 10. 100 meter in 9.58 second. Therefore, we can write in return in 9.58 second, the distance covered 100 meter. In 1 second, the distance covered 100 divided by 9.58. This much meter. Okay. So the speed first
Yes.
in meter per second, if you'll calculate, so 100 divided by 9.58. What the answer you will get? 10.43, right? 10.438. That means 10.44. Okay. If you'll make it a round off,
Four.
it will be 10.44. Okay. So write that 10.44 meter per second. And now you say, how will you convert the meter per second into kilometer per hour? Can you suggest? How will you convert a meter per second into kilometers per hour? Look at here. I told you for your help, 1 kilometers per hour. That means we are converting it into meter per second. 1 kilometers means 1000 meter, and 1 hour means 3600 second. So cut with 2, 5, and here it is 18. So kilometers per hour, when we'll multiply it by 5 by 18, we will get, when we'll multiply it by 5 by 18, anything, we will get into meter per second unit. Okay. And just vice versa, when we'll multiply a meter per second unit into 18 by 5, we will get into kilometers per hour unit. So here we have to do meter per second to kilometers per hour unit. So by which we will multiply into 18 by 5. So 10.44 into 18 by 5. This will be the answer. So before we go for, let me clear some of the portion of this board. This portion is copied. Okay. I'm clearing some of the portion. Okay, now see. What will be the answer? 10.44 into 18 divided by 5. That means 37.58. 4. 37 point. What was the answer? Oh, not this one.
But 37.584.
58. Yes, 37.58. This much kilometers per hour. Okay, this much kilometers per hour. Now they are asking you the question, how long would it take him to run 420 meter if he would run at this same speed? Okay, so his speed is in meter per second 10.44 meter per second. So that means how long it will take to cover. So we'll write it will take him to cover 420 kilometer is how much? 420 divided by, sorry, not 420 kilometers, it is 420 meters, 420 meter. Sit here. Yes, 420 meter. So 420 divided by 10.44. This much second. To do that, 420 by 10.44. 40.23. 229 means round up 23. So 40.23 seconds. Okay. So it will be 40.23 second. You can see answer also from your book.
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
236. 40.236 seconds.
Okay. Clear? Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is a distance time graph, and every object, when there is in motion, we can express its motion in the form of graph. This is the direction is showing. This direction, we have taken the distance covered by that object and the duration of the time we have taken through x-axis. Okay, this is x-axis. We'll always take x-axis for the time and y-axis for the variables. That means distance, velocities, whatever may be. Now look at this graph. You can see in this that when the time was 2 seconds, the distance traveled by that person is here. When the time was 4 seconds, the distance traveled by this time, this. That means you can see that with the time, the distance is increasing. Yes, with the time, distance is increasing through this plot. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means the object is in motion. Object is in motion. Now you can see the time is 4 seconds and the time is 6 seconds in both the places. The object having the same distance. How much? Now 1 kilometer. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So during this portion, the object hasn't changed its position, but the time has changed from the 4 second, sorry, from the 4 minute to 6 minute. Within this 2 minute, it has not changed any distance. So we can say
Yes,
in that portion of this graph, the object is in rest position. Clear?
yes, sir.
And then after, from time 6 to time 8, the distance is changing and continuously changing. So we can say that after that the object is moving. And see what they are saying in the book. A cycle for 4 minutes from home to bus stop is 1 kilometer away, and 2 minutes they have waited there. That means this rest position is the waiting time. And then after 7 kilometer journey on the bus takes 10 minutes. That means from 6 to 16. That total duration is 10 minutes. Okay. And how much distance is covered? From 1 kilometer to 8 kilometer. That means the distance covered is 8 kilometer. Distance covered 8 kilometer. Okay. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let me clear this portion of your book. Now we'll go for our exercise. Now you have some work examples. You will see it in your home. And now your exercise. See this properly. In this exercise, applying your skill. That means whatever you have learned. Our distance time graph represents Monica's journey from home to supermarket. So before we understand it well, let me take this portion in our board. Let me take this portion in our whiteboard. Okay. We'll take it. This one. Now it is easier for us to do. So the distance time graph represents Monica's journey from home to the supermarket and back again. Okay. How far was Monica from home at 9 hours, 6 minutes? 9.06. That means 9 hours and 6 minutes at that time. So 9 hours, 10 minutes here, 5 minutes here, and 6 minutes here. Okay. So at that time, where the Monica was? In that point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When the 9 hours and 6 minutes, she was in that point. And how much distance it was? 400. This is like 200, 400, 600. And then after this portion is 800. So in between 600 and 800, we can say almost 700, the midpoint. So almost how many distance it was? 700 meters. Okay.
Yes, sir.
640 meters or like 700. Sorry, not 640. It is how much distance? It is total 200 distance. Okay, it will be 700 meters. And how many minutes did she spend at the supermarket? This is the time when she reached at the supermarket. Okay, when the time is when she reached the supermarket. See the time, how much it is? At 9:10. And when she left supermarket, see the time, This duration she was there in the supermarket in the same place, so not changing any distance. And she left supermarket when? There. That means 10, this is 20, 15, 17. At 9:17. She left the supermarket at 9:17. So 9:10 to, sorry, 9:17 she left and he reached at 9:10. So how much time she spends there? 7 minutes. Is it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. At 9:17 she left and she reached at 9:10. So 7 minutes she spends in supermarket. At what time Monica, at what time was Monica 800-meter from home? At what time she was 800-meter from home? See that? This was, so 9, 5, 6, 7. At 9, 7. When she was 800-meter away? At 9, 7. Okay. And on what part of the journey did Monica travel faster, going to the supermarket to running home? On which part of the journey did Monica travel faster, going to the supermarket or returning home? See, when she was going to supermarket, she took how much time? She reached the supermarket from home to supermarket in 10 minutes. Is it? But she
Yes.
returned from supermarket at that time. The time was how much? 9:17. And then after she reached home back at 9:30. So this much duration, 9:17 to 9:30. How much duration? 13 minutes, right?
Yes, sir.
13 minutes duration. 9:30 to 9:17 to 9:30. How much duration? 13 minutes, right? 9:30 minus 9:17. That means how much is the durations? Durations you can write in this way also. 9:17. You can say AM to 9:30. How much time? Total 13 minutes. Okay. In that, here it is 10 minutes and here it is 13 minutes. So which journey was faster? During the going. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you will write that on which part of the journey Monica traveled faster. So you will write that answer of D, during going to supermarket. Understood?
Yes, sir.
The journey was faster. Journey was faster. Okay. So this is the complete solve of this question. Copy this. So hope the rest portions you can do your own. Whatever the rest sums you can try your own.
Yes, sir. Right.
Any doubt from this portion?
No, sir.
No.
No? We have completed our class time also. Your time is up to 10:20, right?
Sir, 10:15.
10:15. Okay, then I'm leaving you. You have some another class right now. Okay, I'm stopping a screen share. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.